Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Woo! This channel is all about making money, guys, and that's why you're here. So, let me show you a strategy to make $134,000 in 30 days, guys. Come on, that's a full-time salary for a doctor in 30 days. You don't have to be a doctor. You can do this. Anybody can do it. Just click the link in the description and let's go. Woo!
It's the middle of the day and it is July 30th. 30 days into the month. This is max bounty. Let me refresh real quick. Boom. As you guys can see, everything's still the same. And this month is, you actually get max bounty money, okay? So it's called like max money or max bounty money. But anyway, I got $10,000 just because of how much I made this month. And that's 8% of what I made so far this month, okay? There's another day into the month tomorrow because there's 31 days, but I figured I'd just show.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!